Hey traders, welcome back to the FX YouTube channel. How's everyone's trading day so far? Anyone catch any moves? For me, I was mainly watching. I did mark one entry for shorts, but I happened to be in the bathroom at that time when my entry would have hit, and it was a very quick one, but no biggie though. I still have 2 trades running, and my third TP just hit for another 1%. Anyways, let's get into the analysis and look for some potential setups today. So starting with DXY. If you look what happened in DXY, what I was looking at is potential pullbacks to this demand, and then pushing up, attacking the highs. But what I failed to recognize, as I didn't even go down to the 15-minute to do my analysis, there was actually a flip zone here. So you can see supply was hit, it reacted off of it, came down, created a flip zone area, a range, and then I marked the flip zone here, and you can see what happened. Price pulled down into the flip zone, pushed up aggressively, came back down, retested, then pushed away, and then aggressively pushed back down into the newly created demand, and then after that pushed off of that, and that's essentially all she wrote. I mean, it's been pushing up ever since then. I apologize for not noticing that important detail for the London video, because it could have actually helped us a lot to analyze what was going on with the dollar. Anyways, if we go to EU, let me go straight to the 15-minute. So on the 15-minute, you can see we were somewhere around here during London. Yeah, somewhere over here during London. Price pushed up into this 15-minute supply and aggressively pushed away from it. So for myself, honestly, I did not consider this a valid supply zone until I saw the reaction from it. And the reason why I didn't consider this a valid supply zone is if you look left, you can see our demand is here. We had the reaction off the demand here, creating the flip zone here. So this is why I was looking at this particular zone as a targeted price for EU to come to before pushing away and pushing down further. But unfortunately, it came up to this one, had the aggressive push down, and if you look at the setup that I wanted to enter, you can see we had that reaction off the 15-minute supply. Let me bring out my pencil again. So we had the reaction off the 15-minute supply here, very aggressive push down, and then after that price pushed back up, didn't come back into the extreme, pushed away once again, and then after that we had that aggressive push up back into supply, and it went to the very extreme of it, but supply did hold, and then after that we had the V-shaped recovery off of it, immediately pushing right back down, a pullback, and then after that price just melted after that. So that is where we're at right now. Now going into New York, I see 2 obvious scenarios. We either continue to the downside or have a pullback. Oh no, sorry, there may be a third one. We could consolidate here as well. I think that covers every possible scenario that we could have. But to be honest, I mean, we've really come down a lot. We've already had 3 strong legs down. We've come deep. We hit this 15-minute demand, which is deep into the 4-hour demand. It's actually at the extreme of the 4-hour demand. So, I mean, the way I'm seeing it right now, yeah, we could have a reaction, and then continue to push down, break this demand, and then go and target the lows. So that's obviously a scenario that could happen. But for me, at least at this stage, I think we're way too low in the leg for me to add to any shorts. So the only thing I'll be looking for, well, I'll be watching the price action, is to see if we have any signs for pullbacks, and look to see if we can get a long setup, because like I said, we've already had 3 waves down. Potentially, I mean, we could have some kind of change of character here, and then push up for a deeper pullback into higher into supply, and then coming down and attacking the lows, and that is essentially what I'll be looking for now, because like I said, I don't want to add to any shorts this low in the leg. And to be completely honest, I mean, if I don't see these, well, this particular setup, then I'm happy to take a break until I see a chance to get into some longs and see if we can get a bigger pullback. So anyways, just a reminder, we still have jobless claims for the US today. That'll be 30 minutes after New York Open. And we also have Lagarde speaking again at NYSE Open. And I mean, those 2 events, I mean, could cause some movements in the markets. And I think either one of them could be a potential catalyst for a bigger pullback. But anyways, that's how I'm looking at it now. And that's it for me. If you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment below. And if you found value in this video, please leave a like and comment on this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow for London analysis, and good luck trading during New York. Peace.